subscribe.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Dave Natch. I speak stocks. Today is Tuesday, August 6th. Hopefully it's a terrific Tuesday today. Yesterday was bad, but where there's bad, there's opportunity. In today's video, I have one play for you. Before I go into the play, let me delve into yesterday's recap of the overall markets. The Dow plunged 2.5% to settle at 38,703. The Dow way back below 40K. The Nasdaq cratered 3.43% to settle at 16,200 on the day. In the pre-market, Nasdaq was down close to 6%. Circuit breakers usually kicks in when the markets are down 7%. Apple fell 4.8% to settle at $209. Apple. The big winner on the day was Tenk. TENK. Stock spiked 193% on the day to settle at $36.06. The higher day was $46.20. The volume was 2.2 million shares exchanged hands, compare and contrast to their average volume of a measly 30K. The company spiked on merger news, TENK. Day's play today is a SP play. This is in and out, grab and go, one and move, hit and run. LYT. LYT is up 120% thus far in the pre-markets. Currently trading at 310 at the recording of this video. The higher day thus far in the pre, 319. If this one retraces below 240, this might be a no-go today. There's no news out in particular, but I suspect bottom fishing. The stock made a brand new 52-week low of $1.40 yesterday, and buyers swooped in. LYT spikeable, for example, on March 7th, the stock went from $2.20 all the way to $18.62 on a volume of 175 million. In conjunction to that, January 31st, the stock went from 468 to 852 on a volume of 1.7 million. And in addition to that, January 18th, stock went from 534 all the way to 1338 on a volume of 3.6 million. So let's see what happens today. This one's in the software app space, and their headquarters out of Dubai. Let's kick the tires.
What's the tires on this?
Brother, you didn't kick them.
Oh, I'd rather I check them out before I'm going to think about purchasing.
They were a market cap of 3 million. They have a teeny tiny float of just 426K. 34% of the float are held by insiders. 1% of the float are held by institutional insurers, as 2% of the float shorts. This is LYT. Their 200-day moving average is $4.89. They have 19 million in revenues. Their revenue per share, 29.34. Their EBITDA, earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization, is 1.6 million in the positive. Their ROA, return on asset, is a positive 1%. They have a total cash of $3 million in the bank and a total debt of $4 million. Current ratio is sitting below par. Their current ratio is sitting precisely at 0.46. However, this company is cash flow positive. Their operating cash flow is a positive 3.3 million. And their leverage free cash flow is a positive 11.2 million. LYT. That's all I have for you, ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget to follow me on X at WT for my stock alerts. In the meantime, in between time, always protect your neck. Always set a stop loss. Do not invest more than you're willing to lose. And whenever you see some profits, take some profits, because now you see them, now you don't. Dave Natch, I'm out. Boom, bam. Make your next trade your best trade. Always take care of your downside and let the upside take care of itself. Trade well, and I'll see you when I see you.
All right, thank you for watching. Dave Natch, I'm out.